Hello and welcome to my video about my suite at the Ramada Inn Suites Orlando Airport. I had an early flight out of Orlando Airport and decided to stay closer as it just makes things easier the morning of the flight. I was flying to LA with a full day layover there and then a 13+ hour flight to Auckland, New Zealand for a 2-month cruise. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It helps the channel get more visibility and grow. This channel is all about traveling on a budget in retirement. I found a great deal and paid $82 for the room, and taxes were another $20. For those that don't know me, I retired in 2017, sold everything, bought a motorhome, and travel 100% of the time now. Up until 2022, I traveled through the US in the RV from coast to coast. I now mix RV travel with cruising and other types of international travel. I had a suite on this visit. I am not sure if all the rooms are suites here, but it was a nice touch. My room number was 304. My preference is near the elevator, and this was halfway down the hall. Your car key opens the door. As you enter into the suite portion of the room, there is a bench seat against the wall, and I use this as a luggage holder. Underneath was an ottoman, and next to this, a chair. Continuing around the room, there's a desk and a chair. The desk has a lamp and USB port along with a 120-volt outlet. The desk also has a drawer. Continuing towards the window is the bedroom area of the suite. There is a nightstand that has a phone, 2 USB ports, and 2 120-volt electrical outlets. On both sides of the bed are lights. On the window side of the bed is another nightstand with an alarm clock along with USB ports and 120-volt outlet. There are also reading lights on each side of the bed on the wall. I had a single queen-size bed as requested. The HVAC is standard wall unit that does AC and heat with controls on the unit. There is one TV mounted on the wall that can be seen from the bed and the desk on a swivel. Continuing around the bedroom is the closet and bathroom. The closet area has an iron, shelf, safe, and a few drawers along with a full-length hanging area with an ironing board too. To the right of the closet is the sink with a solid surface counter. It has an electric outlet, toiletries, and hairdryer. The bathroom door has a full-length mirror. The shower has a tub and an extended shower bar to give extra room while taking a shower. Moving back towards the room door is a small kitchen area. This has 2 chairs, a table with electrical outlet, garbage cans, microwave, sink, coffee maker, and refrigerator with freezer. Note, there are no plates or utensils. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this useful. Comment and let me know what you think of this hotel at Orlando Airport. They do have a shuttle. I have more coming weekly. Let me know what you like and what you want to see.